How to add money to Cash App. Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily add money to your Cash App account. For that you need to first go ahead and open up Cash App, and then from there you can just tap on the dollar icon at the bottom left corner, or if you don't have any money on your account you can see a little bank icon. Once you are there, you have an option to add cash to your account, so just tap on the add cash button. From here you can enter the uh, shown amount on the screen, or if you want to add a custom amount, tap on the three dots. So let's say if I just add here like $12, tap on add and then tap on next. Now from here it will ask you for your debit card numbers. Just go ahead and enter any card that you want to link to your app and add your fund from. So let's just go ahead and enter that. And once you've done that, you can just go ahead and tap on link card after entering its card number, month, date, and then year, as well as zip code. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.